Hey boys and girls, today we're going to be talking about subtraction equations. But before we can talk about the actual equations, the first thing we need to talk about is the rule of addition. Okay? Now the rule of addition says that if you add a number to both sides of an equation, the equation will remain balanced, meaning both sides will still be equal. Okay, so let's talk about an example of that. Say I have 5 equals 5. If I added 1 to one side, but didn't add it to the other, would it still be equal? No, because I would have 6 equals 5, and that's not a true statement. Okay, 6 is more than 5, you get that. So what this says is that if I have a statement that says 5 is equal to 5, or anything that's equal to something else, both sides have to remain equal. So if I add 1 to this side, I need to add 1 to the other side of the equal sign for it to remain balanced. 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, and I have equality. Okay? Both sides are still equal. That's the idea here behind solving subtraction equations. Okay, so let me give you an example. Let's start over here. All right, my first example is y minus 21 equals 18. All right, now we're going to keep this simple. You may know in your head exactly what this answer is. Now what I don't want to see is you go, oh, 3, that answer is 3, because that's not the case. Okay, don't guess if you don't know for sure. So with the rule of addition, we want to add the same number to both sides. I want to get this y by itself. So to get the y by itself, I have to get rid of this 21. So to get rid of a minus 21, I have to add 21. All right, so I'm going to add 21 to both sides. Minus 21 plus 21 leaves me with just y. 21 plus 18 is 39. Okay, if I were to take 39, plug it back into the equation, 39 minus 21 gives me 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. They're equal. Okay, both sides of the equation are equal when y is 39. All right, let's look at another example. I have b minus 12 equals 14. All right, once again, don't just automatically guess that this answer is 2, because that's not the case. Okay, we have a subtraction equation, which means we want to use the rule of addition. The rule of addition says that if I add the same number to both sides of the equal sign, my equation will stay balanced. I want to get rid of that minus 12. I want to keep the b only. So to get rid of a minus 12, I have to add 12. And I have to do it to both sides. Okay? Minus 12 plus 12 leaves me with 0. So that gives me just the b. 14 plus 12 is 26. Okay? We plug it back in. 26 minus 12. I guess I could have written it a different way. Let's just scratch that right there and say minus 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 14. They're equal. Okay? Solve it. Don't try to guess the answer, especially with subtraction equations. Those can always cause confusion. All right?